In this video, we're going to talk about standard form. A standard form is one way of writing very big numbers or very, very small numbers. It's just a way of writing very big numbers or very small numbers. The way to do it, well, it takes this form here, where a is a number. So it could be, let's say, 7.32, and then times 10 to the power of something. So here it could be 10 to the power of 7, or you could have 2.37 times 10 to the power of minus 12 if you wanted to. So this n here, it can be a positive number or it can be a negative number, but it has to be a whole number. It cannot be 6.3. You can't write 10 to the power of 6.7. It has to be a whole number, but it can be a negative or a positive whole number. And this number here, a, well, a has to be, it can be 1 or larger than 1, but it has to be less than 10. So you can't write, let's say, 12 times 10 to the power of 6, say, because this number here has to be, well, it can be 1 and it can be 1.02 or whatever, but it has to be 1 or above, but it has to be less than 10. This 12 here is not valid because it's bigger than 10. It can't be 10.2, okay, because well, this here is bigger than 10. So it has to be less than, this is important, it has to be less than 10. But it can be 1. You're allowed to have 1. So it can be 1 or above. Okay. Let me give you some examples. If you look at the if you look at our solar system, this is Earth here. Pluto's here. I know Pluto is not a planet, but let's just say the distance from here to here is given by this here. Okay, in meters. So rather than having to write 6 0 0 0 0, well this is a comma by the way. It just helps us to identify these. So thousands here, million here, billion here, and I don't know. You got to look on the internet. Okay. Well, anyway, rather than writing this really big number here, we can use standard form. So you can just write 6 times 10 to the power of, hang on, wait there. So start here. Just bear with me on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So rather than writing this long number here, I can just write 6 times 10 to the power of 12. Okay, so this number here is the same as this number here. Okay, or if you look at a bacteria, let's say, if I don't know what a bacteria looks like, so let's just say sorry, a bacterium. But bacterium is you have one bacterium. But then if you have more than one, the plural bacterium is bacteria. So let's say you have a bacterium here. I don't know what a bacterium would look like. Maybe some eyes here, a nose here, and I don't know, let's give it some fangs. Okay, I don't know what a bacterium looks like. So when you're studying biology in school, try to concentrate and try and get an idea of what a bacterium looks like. Okay, let's say the distance from here to here is I don't know, 0.00002 meters. Okay, meters. So here, rather than writing this number here, we can turn it into standard form. Now, standard form, we have to have a number a here where it can be 1 or above, but less than 10. So I'm going to use 2 here. Okay, 2. So 2 times 10 to the power of minus. Wait there, bear with me on this. Bear with me. It was, well, hang on. Bear with me on this. So here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hang on. So this will be times 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, so this number here, 0.00002. Well, I'm just going to imagine the 2 as being, this is my A here. That's my A there. But the decimal, the decimals here, I've got to move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So rather than writing this number here like this not, well, let's say this length here of a bacterium is given by this. Rather than writing this number here, I could just write this number here. So I could write 2 times 10 to the power of minus 6. Okay, this is in this writing this number in standard form is actually very useful for later on. But for the time being, just know that there's a standard form for expressing very big numbers or very small numbers. I will explain more of it in the next few videos. Okay.